Hello, Helen. Hello. And welcome back to the English Mindset Podcast. I am your host, Jane, and I am so excited you're here with me today. If you are listening right now, yes, I want you to smile for a moment because showing up today means something important. It means you care. You care about learning English. You care about improving your life. You care about becoming more confident. And my friend, that already makes you amazing. So take a deep breath with me. Inhale and exhale. Good. This time is for you. Let me ask you a simple question. Why do you want to learn English? Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to speak confidently with people. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you just want to understand movies, songs, or conversations. Whatever your reason is, it is valid. Your English journey is not a race. It is not a competition. It is your personal path. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slow. Both are okay. Say this with me out loud if you can. My speed is okay. Yes, it really is. Now, let's talk about something very powerful. Your inner voice. This is the voice inside your head that talks to you all day. Sometimes it says things like, I am bad at English. I make too many mistakes. People will laugh at me. Does that sound familiar? Let me tell you something clearly. That voice is not the truth. That voice is just a habit, and habits can change. Imagine you're learning to ride a bicycle. Will you fall sometimes? Yes. Does falling mean you are stupid? No. It means you are learning. English is the same. Mistakes are good. Mistakes mean your brain is working. So today, we change how we speak to ourselves. Instead of saying, I am bad at English, try saying, I am learning English. Instead of, I can't speak, say, I am practicing. Small change, big power. Now let me calm you down a little. Learning English does not mean studying grammar for 3 hours, memorizing 100 words a day, feeling tired and stressed. No. Learning English can be easy and fun. You can learn English while drinking tea, cooking food, walking outside, relaxing before sleep. Listen to English. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain is listening. Your brain is learning. You do not need to understand 100%. Even 30% is great. Say this with me. I don't need to understand everything. Good job. Many learners say, I will speak when my English is perfect. Let me stop you right there. Perfect English does not exist. Even native speakers make mistakes every single day. Confidence does not come after fluency. Confidence comes before fluency. You speak, you toy, you make mistakes, you learn, you grow. That is the order. So today I give you permission. Permission to speak badly. Permission to forget words. Permission to try again. You are allowed to be a beginner. Now I want to give you a simple daily habit. Every day, just 5 minutes. Do one thing in English. Listen to this podcast. Watch a short video. Say one sentence out loud. Learn one new word. Only one. Small steps matter. Think of English like a plant. You don't pull it to grow faster. You water it gently. All right, my amazing listener, Let's wake up that confidence a little. Repeat after me. Say it with energy. I can learn English. Again. I can learn English. One more time. Louder. I can learn English. Yes. That's the energy we want. Some days will be hard. Some days you will feel tired, busy, unmotivated. That is normal. On those days, don't quit. Just rest. Rest is not failure. Rest is part of success. Even listening quietly is enough. Be gentle with yourself. Before we finish today, I want you to hear this clearly. You are trying. You're showing up. You are learning. And that is enough. English is not changing who you are. English is adding to who you are. You don't need to become someone new. You just need to believe in yourself a little more. Thank you for spending this time with me on the English Mindset Podcast. I am Jane, sending you confidence, courage, and a big smile. Remember, small steps, kind thoughts, strong mindset. I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.